Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to share with you something I learned about my cell phone and my calendar view. You may have heard me mention, maybe more than once, that I'm not a fan of these automatic rollouts where they've got updates with new features and things I haven't asked for and I'm not actually interested in that automatically roll out to your cell phone. Larry's pet peeve is when these roll out. They often change configurations and settings that you've already taken the time to put in place. So sure enough, that morning I pull it up, I bring out my calendar, and I can't even read it. There are so many calendars scrunched together, and I didn't ask for additional calendars. I haven't changed anything. So I was mentioning to Chris that I was frustrated with this view, and of course he reached over, grabbed my phone, and knew exactly what to do, and within minutes I was all set. So a few days later, Larry said something out loud about his calendar view on his phone, and I actually knew what to do and kind of looked like a little expert for the moment. So I'm going to share it with you, and you can help your teammates and friends and family and look like the expert. So on the cell phone with the calendar view up, just go up to the upper left-hand corner, click on the Outlook icon. You'll see a list of any calendars that you have permission to view, and you can check or uncheck whichever ones you want to actually be able to see. And then you're back on your main calendar view and you're all set to go. It is that easy, but like everything else in IT, you have to know where to go and what to click on. So now you do. If you have any questions about any of this, obviously you can call our office, but I think you get it. Thanks for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your week.